I use a long metal needle and a strong thread to sculpt the muzzle. 2 threads held together. We insert the needle and come out near the first eye. Leave the loop here. Then we insert the needle on the other side of the eye and come out near the loop, and we insert the needle into it. Now tighten by pulling like this. Now insert the needle 1 stitch left or right and come out near the second eye. Pull. Now insert the needle on the other side of the eye and come out somewhere here on the bottom. Pull again. And now we need to make the muzzle. So we just insert the needle somewhere here where the nose should be and come out into the same stitch. One more time to fasten. You should get something like this. Now just make a knot to fasten. Almost ready. Now let's decorate the eyes. And the second one. A knot to fasten, and weave in the yarn tail. Now the nose. The bunny is ready. Let's decorate it with a bow. The bunny is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it with me. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for your likes and comments. Follow DidyToys for more tutorials and crochet hacks. See you!